Hey guys, this is Doug Gabbard from Practicing Photography. Getting better one photo at a time, I hope. Let's jump right into it. I'm excited about this shot. I had some fun taking pictures of my Yorkie. You're going to check them out in the video. But we're still practicing aperture priority here. I have my ISO in auto, I have my shutter speed in auto. I set my aperture to 2.8 on some of the pictures and f11 on the others. And notice the difference in the background being blurred out and the background being sharp. If you can, guess which one is going to be sharp in the background, f11 or 2.8. Hopefully you already know, but if not, watch the rest of this video and you'll find out for me. So we're going to jump into the video here and we're going to show you my photo shoot I took with my GoPro. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and check out the contact information down below where you can find me, and I will see you next week. On with the video. Zeus. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. F2.8. Auto ISO, auto shutter. Pretty cool shots. Let's do it again, Zeus. Zeus, come. Zeus. Zeus, come. Come on, buddy. Treat. Sit. Stay. Zeus, come. There's a good boy. You want to do it again? All right, just come. Right here, just come. Sit, down, 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 sit, down. Just stay. Zeus, come. Zeus, come. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Right here, just sit. Zeus, stay. That's a good boy. Come here, just come. This way. Over here. Over here. Zeus, stay. Zeus, come. Zeus, come. Good boy. Good boy. One more time. Just come. Right here. Sit. Good boy. I know you're a good boy. Just stay. F11. Zeus, come. Zeus, come. That's a good boy. That's such a good boy. You all done? Thank you for doing the photo shoot.